Well, hello everybody. I'm here to do a craft, and it's on behalf of our Friends of the Library. And the Friends of the Library are volunteers that come in and help. And the ladies here are very, very busy. So we come and help them out, and we do fundraising, so if anybody's interested. But what you're going to find in your bag when you come to do yours, you're going to find this stick, because we're making the snowman into a puppet. And then we have 3 shapes. And there's something different about these shapes. You'll find that they're different sizes. So we have to watch and make sure the large one is going to go on the snowman's bum. This will be the middle one. And that's the tummy. Right in here, and then we're going to glue on the head. So we don't want it to be like this. That would be totally wrong. We've got to really make sure the big one on the bottom, the middle one is the middle size, the little one on top. Now, what else you'll have in there is you will have 3 buttons. That's for the snowman's belly. Oh, and look at his nice hat. You're going to put that on top of his head. And here we have a scarf, and we're just going to bend it around after. And let's get started. Okay, I've got that angled down. Oh, you'll have to get some glue from at your house, and you can use the stick glue if you want. So I got to be very, very careful here now. This is the big one. So I want to put it on the bottom, but still leave room so that I can hold my finger and I can do a puppet show. Okay? So not right at the bottom. You do it a finger length. Put your finger and then you glue. Okay? So here I go. Put some. Ooh, that really came out. That's going to go really good. And now, always have to remember, turn it over, and we will put the glue onto the stick. See how I've got it going? That's the nice big bottom one. Now, I have 2 left. This one is the head because it's the smallest, so next is the middle one. I'm going to put the glue onto this one just in the middle. I didn't put it all around, did I? It's hard to see on here, isn't it? But I didn't put any here. My finger's nice and clean. I didn't put any over here, just in the middle. And now I will put my tummy on there. Boop! Oh, look at that. It's starting to get going. Next, I'm going to put on the head. Every snowman needs a head. And don't worry if one of the circles goes a little sideways like mine did there. It's fine. The snowmen like to be individuals, just like we are. We're all different shapes and sizes. And that's his head. Oh, what does our snowman need next? I think he needs to have a nose. And we'll put on his buttons. You got 3 nice little buttons. And we're going to put them like this. I'm going to put them on his tummy. They have a glue on the back. So we just have to pull them off. And you can decide, do you want to put your buttons like upside like this? Can you see? Oh yeah, with this, the whole standing up. Or you can put them sideways. I'm going to put mine standing up. I'm just looking around. Oh, what happened? That didn't go on very sticky like. I'll have to put a little glue. Sometimes things don't work the way we want them, so we adapt. And there we go. We'll put a little glue. That'll hold it. I'll try better with my next one. I think I'm going to put pink next. I got to try and take the glue with it. But if I don't worry. I don't think the glue came with this one either. So I'll have to put my own glue. I want to put this button down right there, kind of like a belly button. And I'm going to put it going straight up and down too. I think I'll get tricky with the purple on the bottom though. Pull it off. Oh, look at there. This time I got the glue on the back. It should work. This time I'm going to turn it sideways and put that button down like that. Look at that. Very good. So when you're taking this off, try and get that glue. It's tricky though, you know. All right, next thing we're going to do is right here. This is going to be the carrot nose. So I'm going to just try and make my own. I like them to have a pointed nose. So I'm going to go from there and I'm going to make it out to like a triangle and have it just go out. Out. Oh, he's going to have a nice pointed nose on our snowman. If you got to listen to the books, our snowman books today, you will hear all about how much they like to have it. So there, I'm going to glue on his carrot nose. What a lucky guy. There we go. And here's the hat. It's black, so it's hard to see it. And I like to put the hat on my snowman, but it can be at an angle if you'd like, or this way. And I'm just going to put some glue on the back there. And there we go. We'll put that so it just hangs on up there. And you can see I kind of have a little extra up there. If you wanted to have yours just so it can be at the top, it could have started a bit higher. Okay? Right now, this is what it looks like. I'm going to put this scarf around him. I'll just wrap it around and I'll put it like, these are the tails, and then it's going around and on his neck. Okay, we'll put it around like that. And you can wrap it around. I think in our packages, we'll put this a little bit longer. But there. And then there will be your scarf. And that's a wonderful snowman. I can say, I am Mr. Snowman. I'm going for a walk. Choo, 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 choo. I'm going to visit my friends. So see, if you wanted to make more of these at home, you just go right ahead. And what I might do later, I might just add with my little felt pen or something and put some eyes on it. I think it would look cool like that, but that's something that you can figure out yourself, okay? Well, thank you. I hope you enjoy your snowman package, which was courtesy the Friends of the Library, who really want you to have fun with it. See if you can build yourself a snowman out there, okay? Bye-bye from Susan.